Hey guys! So today we are getting to our lesson 5 in our iMovie course. And lesson 5 is practicing transitions and how to put in transitions and sort of giving you an idea for how to use them. Because what I notice is sometimes students will just randomly put them in there. But if you think of it in terms of an artist, you can use them purposefully and they will make your message so much stronger. So today I'm going to demonstrate how I do that with my videos and come along.
Open up your iPad and find the iMovie app, and you're going to look through your album for a couple of images or videos that are under one theme. In my case, I am going to choose some images that I took during some of my runs. I like to run, and so I always take pictures of either my sneakers or nature or something to do with running. So I'm just going through my album and I'm picking out videos or images that are under the same theme. And that's, again, it's not that important. Really, it's just that I want you to practice using transitions, and this is a good opportunity to do that. Notice I'm picking all the images that are around the same theme. And transitions are how we move from one video to another, or images to another, or from an image to a video. And they do make a difference. And it's important to be thoughtful about the decisions you make in your movie, and that the decision you make is congruent with the theme that you chose. And I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm almost done picking my photos for my example. Here I go. These are all the photos. And notice there's no transition right now between them. And now I'm going to practice the different transitions by clicking onto the image. By clicking onto the little square between the images. And notice at the bottom there's various options, and I'm going to try each one by going back and seeing how it looks when it transitions. Transition is just a fancy word for change, from when it changes from one image to the next. And you're going to try each one and see which one makes sense with the theme that you chose. So here I am, I'm trying each one. I'm going back a teeny bit and I'm looking at what happens. This is kind of like when you practice writing too. You have to reread what you wrote to see what it sounds like. In this case, I am rewinding and I'm looking at what I chose so I can see what it looks like. I think I found my transition that I want. And to me, it makes sense because I'm talking about running, and the image, when I, with the transition, moves from left to right, like that, like the new image appears with that line that comes across. So now I'm going to go and actually include that transition throughout my project. And I think it's important to have unity in your project. I notice sometimes people go crazy with different transitions, but I really think that it should match your theme. Oh, what happened here is I chose the seconds. There's a timer at the bottom, and you can decide how slowly it transitions. And that might play into it too. So now I'm done. I've added all my transitions. And I'm looking at them and just seeing if this is what I want to happen. There's also this other feature called Ken Burns effect. And if you turn it off, it doesn't allow your image to move while the film is moving. Notice the sneakers no longer gravitating up or down when the film is moving. Now when I turn it on, I can also decide where the film begins and where it ends for that one frame. So here I chose where it started and where it ended, and that's what it looks like. It's very subtle. Here I'm going to shut it off altogether, and then I want you to see what it looks like when I shut it off altogether. Notice the image is not moving, and it's a matter of choice. You can decide. Here I'm going to choose to start at the bottom, and then as it moves through the frame, I want it to end all the way at the top. And let's see what that looks like. Good. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to go back and play it, and this is what it looks like. And that actually is very nice. So that's it. You learned transitions and you learned about Ken Burns effect. Enjoy.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.